Today we're going to learn to do the Marguerite stitch, which is also called the star stitch. Isn't this just beautiful? Alright guys, let's go ahead and get started on this. First of all, since you are just learning a stitch, the yarn doesn't really matter and the hook size doesn't really matter. I happen to be using a medium 4-weight yarn and a 4.5 millimeter crochet hook, but you can incorporate this into any type of project that you would like. Okay, so first of all, you need to chain an odd number of stitches plus 1 for your foundation. So I am going to chain 7 as my odd number, and I'm just going to put my hook underneath the yarn, and I'm going to swing my hook around the yarn and back through. You can, and that makes my first chain. You can make a slip knot if you want and start your chain that way. So I'm going to, my odd number is going to be 7. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7. And then I've got to add 1 for my foundation chain. So to start off, we're going to single crochet in the second chain from the hook. So there's 1, 2, single crochet, second chain from the hook, and single crochet across. So that was 1, 2, 3, just single crochet in each chain across, 4, 5, 6, and 7. So anytime I do anytime you do your single crochet row, you should always have the same amount on your single crochet rows. Okay, so for row 2, we're going to chain 3. There's 1, 2, and 3. You're going to turn your work. Now on your half double crochet, you're going to half double crochet 5 together, and you're going to start in the second and third of the chain and the next 3 single crochets. So that would make a total of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So let's go ahead and get started on it. Yarn over, insert your hook in the second chain from the hook. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook in the third chain. Yarn over, pull through. Now you're going to do the same thing with these first 3 single crochets. Yarn over, insert your hook. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook in the second single crochet. Yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook in the third single crochet. Yarn over and pull through. Now you should have 11 loops on your hook, and you're going to go through all 11 loops. Yarn over and just wiggle your little hook through the loops. There you go. Now you're going to end it with a chain 1. Now you're going to do 5 half double crochets together again. So you're going to work in this eye on top of the in this space of the cluster and in the corner and in the next 2 single crochets. So that makes 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Let's do it again. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So that's your 5 half double crochets together. That's where you're going to be putting your hook. Yarn over, insert your hook in the eye, yarn over, and pull through. Now we're going to go right in top of the cluster, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now we're going to go in this little corner space, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Now in the next 2 single crochets, yarn over, insert your hook in the first single crochet, pull through, yarn over into the second single crochet, yarn over and pull through. Now you have 11 loops on your hook. yarn over, and just wiggle your hook through the 11 loops. There you go. And chain 1. Now we're going to repeat that. So it's going to be, your half double crochets is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So yarn over, insert your hook in the eye, yarn over and pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook in that cluster right there, yarn over, pull through. Now in the corner here, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. And in the last 2 single crochets, yarn over in the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over into the second single crochet, yarn over and pull through. Now yarn over and go through all 11 loops and chain 1. Now we're going to work a half double crochet in that same stitch that you made the your Marguerite stitch in. Now we're going to work a half double crochet in that last stitch that you just worked in. So yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, go through all 3 loops. Okay, so now we're going to work a single crochet row. So chain 1, turn your work, going to work single crochet in that first. There, now wouldn't focus on me. So if I had 7 single crochets here, I should have 7 single crochets here. So that was 1. Insert your hook in the eye here, that's 2. And then above your Marguerite stitch, that's 3. And in the eye, that's 4. And in the Marguerite stitch again, that's 5. And in the eye, that's 6. And in the Marguerite stitch, it's 7. Okay, so let's go ahead and do this again. So this is a repeat rows 2 and 3. So now let's go back and repeat row 2. So chain 3, 1, 2, and 3. Now we're going to work in the second and the third chain and in the first 3 single crochets. So yarn over, insert your hook in the second chain from the hook, yarn over, pull through, yarn over and insert your hook in the third chain, yarn over and pull through. Now in the first 3 single crochets, yarn over, insert your hook, first single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, insert your hook in the second single crochet, yarn over and pull through, yarn over, insert your hook in the third single crochet, yarn over and pull through. 11 loops on the hook, yarn over and wiggle your hook through all 11 loops and chain 1. Now your next 5 half double crochets together is going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So yarn over, insert your hook in the eye, yarn over and pull through. Now we're going to work in this cluster here, yarn over, insert your hook in on the top of the cluster here, which is the Marguerite stitch, yarn over and pull through. Now we're going to work in this corner here, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over and pull through. Now in the next 2 single crochets, yarn over, insert your hook in the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through, yarn over into the second single crochet, yarn over and pull through. You should have 11 loops on your hook, yarn over and pull through all 11 loops and chain 1. Okay, our last one here, yarn over, insert your hook in the eye, yarn over and pull through. Now, yarn over, insert your hook in the top of the Marguerite stitch. Yarn over, pull through. Now, in the corner here, yarn over, insert your hook, yarn over, and pull through. Now, in the last 2 single crochets, yarn over, insert your hook in the first single crochet, yarn over, pull through. Yarn over, insert your hook in the last single crochet, yarn over, and pull through. Yarn over and pull through all 11 loops on your hook. Then chain 1. Now we're going to work a half double crochet in that last stitch you just made. And we're going to chain 1, turn our work. And just remember, we need 7 to go across here, or you need the same amount of single crochets as you have here. So that'd be 1, and then the I, 2, and above the Margaret stitch, 3, and I, 4, top of the Margaret stitch, 5, and the I, 6, and top of the Margaret stitch, 7. Okay, there you are. You've done it. It's a very pretty stitch. All right, guys, have fun with this. Thanks for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe.